Looking for a sweet and refreshing treat that's quick to make and feels like summer in every bite? You're going to love this Mango Dahi Dessert. Start with some thick, creamy, hung yogurt in a bowl. Add some smooth mango puree. A little condensed milk for that rich sweetness. A pinch of cardamom powder for that beautiful aroma. A few delicate strands of saffron. Gently mix it all together until it turns into a silky, golden blend. Top it off with some chopped nuts. And a few more strands of saffron, because why not add a little elegance? Let it chill in the refrigerator for a few hours, and that's it. Your creamy, dreamy Mango Dahi dessert is ready to serve. Simple and delicious. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering moments. Thanks for watching.